Hello, Professor. I'm Sébastien, and I'm here to present The Clockwork Man. Part 1 Early Cyborg, Imaginary and Mechanized Agency. In his 1923 novel, E.V. Odell introduced the Clockwork Man, a future human with a clockwork device implanted in the brain, and this is not only a seminal image of the cyborg in literary history, but also a profound exploration of mechanized agency. Perturbation of selfhood, when human decision making is replaced or augmented by an internal mechanical device, a conflict arises between free will and mechanical logic. Characters oscillate between high efficiency mechanical commands and chaotic human emotions, reflecting a fragmented subjectivity. Mechanized agency. This agency is not fully controlled by the individual, but is determined by preset spring and gears. As human action are reduced to algorithmic cycles, the self-risk devolving into a mere component of the system. Part 2 Control loop failure mods. 1. Oscillatory instability. The protagonist, violent, jumping across different space-time coordinates simulate instability in a closed-loop system caused by excessive feedback gain. 2. Saturation and limiting. When the mechanical device reaches its physical limits, the biological human function can no longer sustain the load, leading to system collapse. 3. Confusion mode. A disconnect between the operator's instinct, the human soul, and the automated logic, the clockwork device, of course, where the human is unaware of the mode the machine is currently operating in. Part 3 Human in the Loop, HITL, for modern CPS. Number 1 is the closed loop safety and fail-safe defaults. Closed-loop safety system must implement real-time monitoring to ensure that the output of physical actuators remain within a predefined safety envelope. Fail-safe defaults if the clockwork device detects an anomaly or a conflict with the operator. The system should be automatically transitioned to minimum risk condition, halting operation or reverting to full manual control rather than blindly executing erroneous commands. 2. Operator state monitoring and anomaly detection. Operator state monitoring sensors are used to monitor the human's cognitive loads, fatigue, or emotional fluctuation. In the context of the Clockwork Man, if the system could sense the protagonist's distress and degrade his autonomy and archetypally, the tragedy could have been averted. Anomaly detection. Utilizing machine learning to identify subtle signs of the system deviation, such as irregular gear wear or command latency, allows for intervention before a catastrophe failure occurs. Part 4 The Conclusion and Reflection. The Clockwork Man serves as a century-old warning when humans are deeply coupled with complex systems. Makes autonomy should not be the suppression of the human by the machine, but synergistic partnership. That's all my report. Thanks for listening.